Hello everyone. The controversies party has brought big guns in their party. The MK party, led by the former President Jacob Zuma, is at Bela Bela in Limpopo for their 3-day strategic meeting. The MK is very clear that they want to destroy the government of national unity. Part of their agenda in their strategic meeting was the way forward for Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The heavyweights that attended the strategic meeting of Umkhonto weSizwe Party were the former ESCOM CEO Brian Molefe, former PRASA CEO Lucky Montandla, former Transnet CEO Siyabonga Gama, former SARS Commissioner Tom Moyane. One of the issues that they have discussed was the land issue, how it was stolen from Africans, their plans to bring it back to the black.
1,000 million. You know that? That's what these people...
The veteran unionist Zuma Vavi has criticized the Umkhonto weSizwe Party heavily and called them out for wanting to amend the constitution, yet they were sworn in as members of parliament. He took it to his Twitter account and wrote, "They live a life of contradictions. How could you occupy seats in a parliament where you claim you have evidence that you have 9.3 million votes stolen from you? Today you say the courts are great because you scored a victory. Tomorrow you say the courts have been captured because you have lost a case. What is scary is that over 2 million voted for these contradictions." Some other people agreed with him, others didn't agree with what Vavi was saying. One person responded to him and said, "Lol, poor Vavi, you and people like you are going to have a very tough life ahead. You are setting yourself up to be subjected to unnecessary frustrations in the coming years. Umkhonto weSizwe is here to stay and grow. Every growth will be like a noose around your neck that suffocated you." Another one said, "I think you are confusing Umkhonto weSizwe Party employees with the people who make sex in office with their subordinates that they have employed in a clandestine manner. I mean, leaders of COSATU have been campaigning for NHI, but themselves using Mediclinic, and the examples are many." Another one said, "During apartheid, didn't you participate? You wanted to amend constitution. You had to fight from within. Why nilele so? Uthanda labelungu lolu olunivalile amehlo nenzondo eninayo kuZulu maximum asizozwa ngani." Vavi also tweeted, "What I like about MK is that they don't hide what they stand for. They hate the constitution, which they regard as founded on Dutch Roman law. They hate the concept of the rule of law. They demand what they call African law, which they have not defined so far. All those implicated in corruption are their heroes and heroines. They see nothing wrong with the 500 billion stolen or exposed by the Zondo Commission. Their defense is that there's a bigger stealing by white monopoly capital. Accordingly, when they gather, it becomes who is who of those accused of stealing and dishonesty. They regard the State Capture Commission and all evidence provided as fake news. They hate Chief Justice Zondo and Ramaphosa more than they hate poison because they associate them with both incarceration of their leader by the Constitutional Court. They regard their leader as a supreme leader who should be above the law and not touchable." People also responded in his tweets, and one said, "What I like about you, you have no regard for education, hence you got yourself a fake degree which is fraudulent to say the least." Another one said, "The 500 billion I remember is that of COVID. Which one are you talking about, Wenadada?" Another one said, "I find it ironical that the same Zuma who was always saying our constitution is the best in the world when he was the president is now saying it must be changed." Another one said, "Mr. Vavi, you have summed it up politely. In summary, thieves and criminals that hate President Ramaphosa because he doesn't like corruption. Can we build a GNU and forgive some people for their sins?" Another one said, "But no Bala, you are regarding Zondo's report as authentic. If yes, how many implicated individuals have been brought to book? Against what percentage that hasn't been brought to book simply because they are aligned with the correct faction for now?" That's a take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.